Hello, in this video we will see how can we use Ask AI block and SmartWait. So add a trigger and a question, how can we help you? Then add automation and search ChatGPT. Click on Ask AI. Here select your authentication, select model from the drop down. Now this can be used in many ways. The most common one is in FAQ bots. So here you can give a prompt to ChatGPT that you are a XYZ stores team member and you have to solve queries of the customers from the data given, and then you can simply paste your FAQ document or you can simply write the data you want ChatGPT to know to answer your queries for the customers. So here I am adding price, time, workshop topic and support. So under user message it will be last text input, but for now I am manually typing it so that I can run and save this. Change the user message to last text input. And then click on save. Now add a text message. Here map this. So under Ask AI message content. Save this message. Now I'm connecting it to the other part. So here the other part is SmartWait. So after this Ask AI block, you have added a text message. After that, select SmartWait. So what SmartWait does is it waits until the user types any exit keyword. So for example, you can write exit keywords here. They should be comma separated. So here I am writing exit, bye, thank you. So as soon as user types any of these words, the bot will be directed to an exit message that we will type, and if not, it will work normally. So after saving this, from on exit I am adding a text message. Hope we were helpful. Save this. And from the block itself, I am adding a go to block here to Ask AI step. So if the user asks any question again, it will redirect it to the Ask AI block and the Ask AI block will automatically answer it. But if the user types any exit keyword, it will exit. So let's try this here. So what is the workshop fees? Now again I will ask a question here. Now let's try to ask two questions at the same time. So what is its topic and duration? So I got reply for both the questions. Now here I am typing okay, thank you. So again AI will reply me here. But now if I write only thank you or bye here for example, so it will lead to exit, which should send hope we were helpful. Thank you.